Okay, welcome to this very short video, and as you may know or you may not know, I'm on a 90-day video challenge at the moment. So we are at the end of week 4 now, would you believe? So we're well into this at the moment. So if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel right now, hit that notification bell. You'll get notified every time a new video comes out. Plus, obviously, go back and we've got plenty of videos in here that you can go and watch on all aspects of making money online, affiliate marketing, email marketing, and that sort of thing. In this video, we're going to just give you a little update of how the account and how my channel is doing after the 4 weeks into the 90-day challenge. And I'm happy I can tell you that we are now have hit the 4,000 watch hours. As you can see here, hours watched 4,000 in the last 12 months. So that's what we are aiming for, guys. So I'd like to say thank you very much to everybody who's spent time watching videos, including this one. Obviously, make sure you stay tuned right to the end of this video, because I've got a free resource that you can go and pick up that if you're looking to build a YouTube channel and get it monetized, etc., and earn money from it, then stay tuned, and I'll give you a free resource at the end of this video. But as you can see here, guys, we have hit the 4,000 watch hours. So that basically meant that I could go and into the back of my YouTube studio here, click on the monetization, and then I could apply to have my channel monetized. And as you can see here, step 1 we've done, obviously step 2 we've done, and as you can see at the moment, we are currently being reviewed. The channel, they obviously need to go through the channel, make sure you abide by all their terms and conditions, etc. Hopefully that won't take too long to do, but it does say that it is taking longer than normal due to the global events. So it says expect delays in the application review. So we will report back hopefully this time next week to say that we're all up and running, and that we've got some cash rolling in. But let's go over and quickly look at channel analytics for the last 7 days and see how we fared. Now, as you can see, subscribers are still down slightly. I think what's happening is, guys, I'm making more videos about affiliate marketing and email marketing and sales funnels, all that sort of thing. So I'm probably losing a few subscribers, but gaining other ones, and ones that are watching more of my videos, because as you can see, my watch time has actually gone up 14% in the last 7 days. So it's up to 123 hours this last 7 days, which is phenomenal. If we carry on like that, we're looking at about 500 watch hours in a month. And also our views are up as well by 6% as well. So that's it. That's good. So even though the views are up, the watch time is up further than the views. So it means obviously that people are watching my videos even longer. So as you can see here, we're now up to 2,518 subscribers in total, which is phenomenal. And I thank you all very much for those that have subscribed. I will be obviously creating more videos this week, and so we'd hopefully be looking to increase that again further. And if you're looking to build a YouTube channel for the first time, I'm going to give you a link in the description below to some free training. It's a free webinar which is by a guy called Matt Parr, and it basically says he's obviously giving away free training how to make money on YouTube without recording videos. So he's had 9 different YouTube channels. With all of them put together, he's making 6 figures. So he's making about $30,000 a month from them. So all you've got to do, guys, is just obviously click on the yes, reserve my seat now. It's completely free, no hassle. You can go and see how this guy is actually running, and how you can start and run your own YouTube channel and get it monetized and get it to start earning some money the same. So there we go, guys. That's a quick video update on this week's recording. Thank you again very much for getting me to hit the 4,000 watch hours. I look forward to obviously showing you as we grow and as we get monetized. I'll obviously come back in and I'll show you exactly how much we're making every week on the videos. Don't forget to check out this free training, because then obviously you can then start your own YouTube channel and then follow along with me and grow at the same time and get yours monetized, and then start obviously making money with YouTube. Okay, if you like this video, make sure you obviously give us a big thumbs up, which is going to help us in the YouTube algorithms. And obviously drop us a comment below. Are you going to try and start your own YouTube channel? And you're going to look at the webinar to show how you can actually go and grow that and monetize it. Check out our other videos here. And if you haven't already, I'm going to say again, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Hit that notification bell, and then you'll get notified every time we make a new video. Okay, so I look forward to making more videos this week. Stay tuned and watch as many of them as you can. Like them, drop a comment below, and tell us how you're going. Okay, we'll see you on the next video.